Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read out a chapter from class 3. First chapter of the maths. The chapter name is What's in a Name? So let's begin. A long time ago, there was a cowherd family in Tarkeshwar. Every day, Deba and Deep took the cows out for grazing. They used to return in the late evening. Together with all the cows. One day, Deba asked, how do we know that we have not lost any cows? They did not know how to count. What could Deba and Deep do? Their friend gave them an idea. When you go out, make a mark on the wall for each cow that leaves the gate. Then, when you came back, strike out one marked from the wall. Each time a cow re-enters the gate, the next day, they followed their friend's idea. And all the marks were struck out. When they came back home, did all the cows come back home? After a few years, they had many more cows. One day, their wall had many marks. When they left home, so they had blank cows. The next day, they returned with the cows. They struck out one mark. As each cow re-entered the gate, 2 marks were still left on the wall. But they didn't see any cows outside. They were worried. Why were Deba and Deep worried? How many cows had reached home? Deba and Deep quickly went to search for the missing cows and found them in a nearby field. They all happily returned home together. Their friend Hemant had 36 cows and 23 sheep. Help Hemant keep track of his cows and sheep by making marks like Deba and Deep. Teachers note. Encourage children to think of different strategies to count large groups of objects without using numbers. They can also use the above story as an activity where they can keep track of all children entering and leaving the classroom. Let us do. Some animals and birds got together to play a game. They wanted to make 2 teams. They decided that the captain of the first team will be the one with the longest name. The one with the most letters The captain of the second team
The captain of the second team
will be the one
will be the one
with the shortest name.
with the shortest name.
Example, the one with the fewest letters.
The one with the fewest letters.
Tiger,
Tiger,
dog,
dog,
snake,
snake,
goat,
goat,
lion,
lion,
elephant,
elephant,
deer,
deer,
ox,
ox,
rat,
rat,
monkey.
monkey.
Find out the captains
Find out the captains
of the two teams.
of the two teams.
First team,
First team,
letter count.
letter count.
Second team,
Second team,
letter count.
letter count.
Do you know any animal
Do you know any animal
having a longer name
having a longer name
than the first team's captain?
than the first team's captain?
Second,
Second,
who has a longer name?
who has a longer name?
Discuss.
Discuss.
My name is longer.
My name is longer.
Mahesh,
Mahesh,
Karthik.
Karthik.
3.
3.
Write down the names
Write down the names
of some of your friends
of some of your friends
in the spaces given below
in the spaces given below
and then answer the questions
and answer the question
from A to F.
from A to F.
A.
A.
Take the longest names
Take the longest names
and cross the shortest names.
and cross the shortest name.
B.
B.
Write the starting letters of your name.
Write the starting letter of your name.
C.
C.
Count all the names
Count all the names
that have the same starting letter
that have the same starting letters.
that have the same starting letter
That have the same starting letters
as yours.
as yours.
D.
D.
Which starting letter is the most used?
Which starting letter is the most used?
Count the names that begin with it.
Count the names that begin with it.
E.
E.
Count the names
Count the names
with the same ending letter.
with the same ending letter.
F.
F.
Write the letters
Write the letters
that are not starting letter of any name.
that are not the starting letter of any name.
Teacher's note.
Teachers know.
Teacher can ask children to mark
Teacher can ask children to mark
the shortest and longest names
the shortest and longest names
among boys and girls,
among boys and girls,
and in the overall class,
and in the overall class,
help them share their strategy
help them share their strategy
through discussion in the classroom.
through discussion in the classroom.
4.
4.
Teji and Jojo are making numbers
Teji and Jojo are making numbers
using these cards.
using these cards.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90.
90.
Teji makes a roll number 43
Teji makes a roll number 43
like this.
like this.
Its number name has 10 letters.
Its number name has 10 letters.
43.
43.
Jojo makes his roll number 70
Jojo makes his roll number 70
like this.
like this.
Its number has letters
Its number has letters
17.
17.
A.
A.
Write your roll number
Write your roll number
using number cards
using number cards
as shown above.
as shown above.
Number cards are given
Number cards are given
at the end of the book.
at the end of the book.
My roll number is blank.
My roll number is blank.
Its number name has
Its number name has
blank letters.
blank letters.
B.
B.
Write some numbers
Write some numbers
and their number names
and their numbers names
in your notebook.
in your notebook.
How many letters does each have?
How many letters does each have?
Let us think.
Let us think.
Teji and Jojo made the number 56.
Teji and Jojo made the number 56.
It has 8 letters.
It has 8 letters.
Write all the numbers
Write other numbers
between 1 and 99.
between 1 and 99.
that have 8 letters.
That have 8 letters.
56.
56.
42.
42.
Teacher's note.
Teacher's note.
Let the children observe
Let the children observe
what is common in the numbers
what is common in the numbers
that have the same number of letters
that has the same number of letters
in their number's name.
in their number's name.
Let us do.
Let us do
1.
1.
Write the numbers between
Write the numbers between
1 and 99
1 and 99
that have the longest name.
that have the longest name.
Find out.
Find out.
My number name has 2 words.
My number name has 2 words.
The first word has 6 letters.
The first word has 6 letters.
The second word has 5 letters.
The second word has 5 letters.
I am very near to 100.
I am very near to 100.
Who am I?
Who am I?
Find out.
Find out.
My friends
My friends
and I are the numbers
and I are the numbers
from 63 to 78.
from 63 to 78.
My number name is the smallest.
My number name is the smallest.
Among all my friends,
Among all my friends,
who am I?
who am I?
2.
2.
Make similar puzzles of your own
Make some puzzles of your own
in your notebook
in your notebook
and ask your classmates.
and ask your classmates.
Venkat Narsimha Rajavarpeta
Venkat Narsimha Rajavaripeta
is the place in India
is the place in India
with the longest name.
with the longest name.
It is located in Andhra Pradesh,
It is located in Andhra Pradesh,
close to the border of Tamil Nadu.
close to the border of Tamil Nadu.
IB in Odisha
IB in Odisha
and OD in Gujarat
and Odd in Gujarat
are the places in India
are the places in India
with the shortest names.
with the shortest names.
Tezi and Jojo have some picture cards.
Teji and Jojo have some pictures cards.
Tezi has put this into 2 groups
Teji has put this into 2 groups
like this.
like this.
She has grouped the cards
She has grouped the cards
into those that eat food
into those that eat food
and those that don't eat food.
and those that don't eat food.
Jojo has arranged the same cards differently.
Jojo has arranged the same card differently.
What is common
What is common
in each of the groups
in each of the groups
Jojo has made?
Jojo has made?
Given below are pictures
Given below are pictures
of some household objects.
of some household objects.
TV,
TV,
chair,
chair,
lamp,
lamp,
bed,
bed,
clock,
clock,
fan,
fan,
pillow,
pillow,
blanket.
blanket.
Write the names of the above objects
Write the names of the above objects
in the 2 groups given below.
in the 2 groups given below.
Things that need electricity,
Things that need electricity,
things that don't need electricity.
things that don't need electricity.
Group the objects
Group the objects
given above differently.
given above differently.
Write them down in the
Write down in the
space below.
space below.
Let us do
Let us do
hairstyles.
hairstyle.
Mala is going to school.
Mala is going to school.
Her mother has combed her hair.
Her mother has combed her hair.
Mala has 2 ponytails.
Mala has 2 ponytails.
Look at the children in your class.
Look at the children in your class.
All children comb their hair
All children comb their hair
in different ways.
in different ways.
Look and write down
Look at and write down
hairstyle.
hairstyle.
Number of children.
Number of children.
Teacher's note.
Teachers note.
Ask children to suggest more things
Ask children to suggest more things
and place them in groups
and place them in groups
appropriately.
appropriately.
Discuss whether
Discuss whether
there are other possible grouping methods.
there are other possible grouping methods.
Encourage diverse ways of grouping
Encourage diverse ways of grouping
in which every object must
in which every object must
belong to one
belong to one
or the other group.
or the other group.